Hello everyone, I welcome you all to yet another discussion session of the CAT 2023, and in today's class we will be taking up the slot 3 of CAT 2023 paper. So let's get started with the questions. Second question, if x is a positive real number, x is clearly given out to be positive real number such that x to the power 8 plus 1 by x to the power 8 is 47. Then the value of x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9 will be how much? So x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9 will be how much? It is one and the same, 1 by x whole power 9 will be nothing but 1 power 9 1 by x power 9. Okay, so how can we solve this? This was a very interesting problem when it came in the CAT 2023. Because here there is no way you can solve for x here, it would be a very difficult process, almost impossible. So here we had to think of some alternate solutions like, observe this, the two terms that I see are basically reciprocals of each other, a and 1 by a types. So let us do one thing, let us add 2 on both sides of the equation. So when I do that, so what does this become? Left hand side, if you notice, x to the power 8 is nothing but x power 4 whole square plus 1 by x power 4 whole square plus 2 can be written as 2 into x power 4 into 1 by x power, and right hand side will be 47 plus 2, which is 49. Now if you look at the left hand side now, this is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab, it is nothing but a plus b the whole square should be 49. Now when you take the square on the other side and take the square root, you will get plus or minus 7. The square root of 49 will be, because we are talking about square equal to 49, so this expression could be plus or minus 7, but since the term inside the bracket is positive real number, even otherwise because we have even power, it cannot be negative. So that means the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 will end up being 7 only, not minus 7. Let us repeat the process one more time. So again if I add 2 on both sides, so again we can write this as x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square. So this will be equal to 9. Again this is of the form a plus b the whole square. So x square plus 1 by x square whole square will be equal to 9. This would give us the value of x square plus 1 by x square as 3. Let us do it one more time, because for reaching x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9, I think we will have to start from x plus 1 by x. Let us start from there. So for that let me add 2 again on both sides, and when I do it for the third time this process, I am not expanding on steps, I hope it would be clear. Now this would be nothing but, the left hand side will be nothing but x plus 1 by x the whole square, I hope you see that, and this will be equal to 3 plus 2, which is 5. Take the square root, so it will give us x plus 1 by x will be equal to square root of 5 only, not negative 5, because x is a positive real number, so we can only take positive value. So x plus 1 by x we get it as root 5. Now I want to reach x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9, how can we do that? So I will do one thing, let me just cube on both sides. So when you cube this equation on both sides, so it is a plus b the whole cube formula, which happens to be a cube, that is x cube plus b cube plus 3ab, x and 1 by x will cancel out, into a plus b. So this is root 5 whole cube, which is nothing but 5 root 5. Now here this will cancel out, x plus 1 by x is root 5, write that. So this will give us what? X cube plus 1 by x cube will end up being 3 root 5, goes on the other side, 5 root 5 minus 3 root 5 will give us 2 root 5. We are still not there, I want to reach x power 9, so let us do one thing, let us cube it one more time. So when you cube it once more, a plus b the whole cube again, x cube whole cube, 1 by x cube whole cube plus 3x cube into 1 by x cube into x cube plus 1 by x cube. I hope now you can see very clearly what are we getting to cube it. So it is going to be 8 into 5, 40 root 5. Now I want to find this expression. Now what is the other value? X cube plus 1 by x cube is 2 root 5, substitute that. 3 into 2 root 5 is 6 root 5, goes on the other side, and finally can I say the value of x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9 will become 40 root 5 minus 6 root 5, which is 34 root 5. So option choice 4 will be our answer. So this question could have been solved like this. So definitely this is all dependent on whether the thing strikes at the right time or not. And in fact, even after that striking, it's not a very direct question. It is going to take sufficient time for answering. So probably this question should come in our round 2, even if you know the process. Maybe I'll think about this question in the second round of scanning of the questions, or maybe I'll just keep it marked for review and come back to it later. Not in the first round, I suggest.